Hi, and welcome to www.easymoneymanagementsystem.com/home.html. Today's topic, Easy Money Management System saves time and money in small business. Do you store your business receipts in a shoebox or in a desk drawer? Find out why this is a drastic business mistake, costing you time and money, and how the Easy Money Management System can correct this mistake. Do you have a simple and easy money management system for your small business? It is crucial to your business success. Your small business system should include this money management system that tracks and records your income, expenses, budget, spending plan, and cash flow of your business. Engaging in an easy money management system will help you stay on top of your business income and business expenses. It is necessary for any small business starting, including the informational and internet marketing business. Having a small business system will allow you to identify possible errors and/or discrepancies in banking transactions, credit card transactions, and any repetitive charges, thus saving you time and money, especially at tax time. This is the major reason why it is a drastic mistake having all your receipts and business documents in a shoebox or shoved in a desk drawer. Just sifting through this financial information later down the road can and will cost you time and money if you do not include such a system in your business. Included in your money management system, as stated above, is your budget, also known as a spending plan. Great to have for your personal finances also. It is based upon a combination of information, including your projected income and expenses. You can use your actuals from your income and expense reports to assist in projecting your monthly, quarterly, and annual budgets. Using a budget spending plan will provide you with something to compare your actual monthly reports against, providing you with information so